right, so for writing today, you're given a word problem where it says Lucy divided her 4,599 spools of thread evenly into 3 boxes. How many spools of thread did she put in the box? So it tells you right here that she divided the spools of thread evenly. So she simply took all this thread and made 3 equal groups. So you're going to rewrite the problem with your dividend being 4,599. I'm going to move that up a little bit. You're going to put your numbers on the words. And then your divisor is 3. And then you're going to say, first, rewrite the problem with 4,599 as your dividend and 3 as your divisor. And then you got to ask yourself, how many times does 3 go into 1? So how many times does 3 go into, 4? So ask yourself, how many times does 3 go into 4? All right, so you would do 3 times 1, because that gives you 3. And then you're going to find the difference between 4 and 3. Difference means to subtract. So 4 minus 3, and I will have smaller lines there for you, so you don't need to worry about doing that, is 1. Okay, and then we have to write it out. Then multiply 3 and 1 to get 3. Then you will find the difference between 4 and 3, which is 1. Next, bring down the next digit. So you're going to bring down the 5. So you bring down the 5 and ask yourself, how many times does 3 go into 15? And then you'll sit here and be like, 3 times 5. 3 times 5 goes into 15. And then you are going to subtract 15 minus 15 and get 0. And you'll again have a smaller one there. And you'll get 0. So you got to say that. Next, bring down the next digit, which is 5, and ask yourself, how many times can 3 go into 15? So then you would multiply 3 and 5 to get 15 and subtract 15 and 15 to get 0. And we need quotations on that. Okay, so then you're going to bring down the next digit. So after, you have to bring down the next digit. And I'm going to put this right here to bring down. You're going to bring down your next digit, which is a 9. So you bring down the 9, and you have to ask yourself, how many times can 3 go into 9? And you tell yourself 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9. And then you will subtract 9 minus 9. And again, you'll have a smaller, I don't know why that didn't go smaller. You'll have a smaller line to put there. And you'll get, I'm going to bring this down so I can keep showing you. Oops, 0. So after bring down the next digit, which is 9, and ask yourself, how many times does 3 go into 9? Multiply 3 and 3 to get 9, and subtract 9 and 9 to get 0. And then what you'll do is you're going to have to bring down your next digit, which in this case is a 9, and ask yourself, how many times does 3 go into 9? Which we've determined is 3. Which is 3. How many times does 3 go into 9? It's 3. So then you would subtract 9 minus 9. And you will get 0. So now we have to write what we did. Finally, bring down the last digit, which is 9, and ask yourself, how many times does 3 go into 9? Multiply 3 and 3 to get 9, and subtract to get 0. There are no other digits to bring down with no remainders, so you get the value of 1,533. Okay, and then I will put that down, and then you are done with your math problem. Now remember, when you are dividing, if you go off your page like I did, that's fine. I still can see it on my end, okay? So that is writing for this week.